Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to crochet the perfect double crochet circle. Whether you are a beginner or just need a refresher, this method will give you a neat and even circle every time. So let's get started with the materials needed. I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn in these 4 colors. You can choose the colors according to your preference, along with the 2.5mm steel crochet hook, and we need the yarn needle and the pair of scissors. Those are the things required. If you are looking for the materials to start your crochet project, check out the links in the description to find all the yarn, hooks and accessories I used in this tutorial. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. And then we will start the round 1, chain 1. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the chain. And then work 16 double crochets into the magic ring. I will show you how to do that. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook over here, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed the first double crochet. This is going to be the second double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets. Like that we will continue to work until we get 16 double crochets into the magic ring. Now I have completed 16 double crochets here, and then we will pull the tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then we are going to leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. Now this is how I'm going to join the round. I'm going to use the yarn needle for that. Thread the yarn needle. And then I'm going to insert the yarn needle into the second stitch on top of the second double crochet here. And then again insert the needle into the previous stitch, that is the last double crochet we have completed, and then pull it like this. Now you can see the end is very clean and neat, and we will hide the tail using the yarn needle like this. I'm going to cut the excess piece of yarn like this, and just like the same we will hide the other tail as well. Now we have completed our first round. We have 16 stitches around, and then we will get started with round 2. I'm going to change the color in round 2. So take the next yarn and start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger like this. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot ready. And then I'm going to insert the hook into the slip knot and attach it to the circle like this. Take the circle and insert the hook into one of the stitches, yarn over and pull through the stitch. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. I'm going to work over this tail, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is called a standing single crochet. Now I'm going to go into this loop and create another single crochet. So insert the hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we are going to consider this as the first double crochet of the round, and I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches, and work another double crochet into the very same base stitch. Now I have completed 2 double crochets into the first stitch, that is called an increase. Again work another increase into the second stitch, which means we need to work 2 double crochets into the second stitch as well. 1 and 2. Again work 2 double crochets into the third stitch here. 1 and 2. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat until the end of the round. Work 1 increase into each one of the stitches around, which means work 2 double crochets into each one of the stitches around. Now I'm at the end of the round. We reach the last stitch here. There we need to work an increase into the last stitch as well. Now we have 32 double crochets around. To join the round, I'm going to leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. And we are going to repeat the same process to join this round as well. So I'm going to use the yarn needle, thread the yarn needle, and then we will skip the first double crochet here and insert the needle into the stitch on top of the second double crochet from the starting point of the round, and then insert the needle into the very last double crochet of the round here as well. And then I'm going to hide the tail using the needle like this. Cut the excess piece of yarn using the pair of scissors, and we have completed the second round as well. Now we are going to continue into the round 3. There I'm going to join a new color. So start with a slip knot, wrap the yarn around your finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. This is the slip knot, and we will insert the hook into the slip knot and get ready with the third round. And then I'm going to insert the hook into any of the stitches and work a standing single crochet. And then go into the loop here and work another single crochet. Now we are going to consider this as the first double crochet of the round, and then work one double crochet increase into the next stitch. So work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 1 and 2. Now work 1 double crochet into the stitch after that, and 1 double crochet increase into the next stitch. 1 and 2. This is the pattern for this round. Work 1 double crochet into the first stitch and 1 double crochet increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Again work 1 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 double crochet increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Like that we will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. Now we have completed 48 double crochets all around. And then I'm going to leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off and repeat the same process to join the third round as well. Now we will get started with round 4. There I am going to attach the green color yarn, so we will start with a slip knot. And work 1 standing single crochet to join the new yarn like this. Again work 1 single crochet into the loop here. This is the first double crochet of the round, and then work 1 double crochet increase into the next stitch, 1 and 2. And then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet into the first stitch and 1 double crochet into the second stitch. and then work an increase into the third stitch. 1 and 2. Just repeat the same pattern. Work 1 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 double crochet into the second stitch, and 2 double crochets into the third stitch as an increase. 1 and 2. We will just repeat the same pattern until the end of the round. Now I'm at the end of the round. After completing the double crochet increase, we are left with 1 stitch here. There we need to work 1 double crochet into the last stitch as well. With that, we have completed our 4th round. Leave a little tail for sewing and you can cut the yarn off, and then use the yarn needle to join the round like this. Now just count and make sure you have 64 double crochets around. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you create a perfect double crochet circle. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crochet tutorials, and share your creations in the comments. Until next time, happy crocheting!